Hi everyone, we have created a desktop application as a project. It uses some modern and advanced data analysis and visualization tools and techniques to assess the performance of each student of the university in their respective courses college-wise. So as it's very clear, the application requires a lots of data to work upon. The application is designed using Python's Kinter module and uses modules such as Pandas and NumPy for powerful data analysis. Okay, now the screen visible here is the home page of the application. Most of the elements seen here have some functionality attached to them, but some may not have. For example, the info button over here at the top and the notification button, this breadcrumb button, the profile button and the settings button, all these five do not have any functionality attached to them. And the reason we placed it over here is that we are constantly upgrading the application, and once we upgrade it we will add some functionality to these buttons, and hence they are over here. Now first of all, let's talk about how this application functions. So a user needs to upload some data, and the data must be of the result and in PDF file format. The PDF file format shall be provided by the examination department. Once he uploads the data, the backend of the application will do the necessary processing and will provide you the necessary tools to assess each student's performance. Now I'm going to show you how to upload a file. So go on upload button, click it, enter the required details, that is the course name, the year and the part here basically means which year the student have crossed. For example, whether he have passed first year, whether he have passed second year, or whether he have passed third year. And technically seeing third years are passed out. So after filling in required details, click on browse, select the desired file, and remember it should be a PDF file provided by the examination department. Click over here and click open. It will show you the path of the file, and then click on upload button. If the file is successfully uploaded, then you will be shown a message to restart the application, and the restart is required so that the necessary changes are reflected into the application. And if the files are not uploaded successfully, it will show you some error messages, and those error messages will be of the file of the particular location where there are errors. Okay, that's why we have given you the instructions. See, the conversion of file from PDF to Excel format is a very tedious task for the computer. It means it is not very efficient. So we have given you these required instructions in case you can make your own changes. Okay, so I'm not going to show here the entire process because it will take a lots of time. So now since we have some sample files, some sample converted files, so I will show you how the application works by clicking on the home page. Okay, now let's just see how the application actually works. So I'm going to select some random values from these drop down boxes and see what happens. So this is the year, course year, and now clicking on the student button, it is showing me a file not found error. Now what it says is that either the file does not exist or the selected course is not in the selected college. So before uploading a file, before seeing anything, you have to first check whether the selected course that you have selected is in the selected college or not, and if it is there, then you have to check whether you have uploaded the required file, means the file of the particular course or not. So it will not work. The same will be true for course and ranking as well. Let me show you how this works by clicking some values which I know. So like for example, Hansraj College has a physical science course, and we have uploaded 2019 file for the pass out student. Now clicking on student, it will show us the student page. Now here at this student page, we have to select the name and the roll number along with the roll number of the particular student whose we want to see the result. So let me select one of the names and click login. Okay, so now this page shows the individual student's performance of the selected year of the particular course. So here at the top there are the details of the student. The status shows whether he is passed or failed. This graph shows the aggregate percentage, that is the green area is that which shows the aggregate percentage. This bar graph shows the semester wise distribution of marks in different subjects. and the area over here shows the semester wise SGPAs and year wise CGPAs. Now if you want to see the individual graphs of each semester, so you can see from here, just click on this expand button and you can see the individual graphs showing the subject wise distribution of grade points in each semester. Now having done with the student page, we will now move on to the course page. Now to see the individual course performance, first of all we will move on to the home page, select the required values from the drop down boxes and then click on the course button. Opening the course page may take some time, so you have to wait. Now it has been opened. Now I will explain you all of these things one by one. This graph over here shows the aggregate percentage of the course by taking average of the individual students. These three graphs over here shows the subject wise aggregate year wise by taking again the average of the students in each subject. This here shows the semester wise aggregate again by taking the average of the individual students. Now here it is showing the details of the selected course, and it also shows students with ER. ER means essential repeat. Now here at the bottom of the page there is a table which shows the list of all the students of the particular course in the particular college. You can see clearly it is a list of all the students, and by clicking on the roll number of each student you can directly go on to that particular student page. Now having done with the student page and the course page, we will now move on to the ranking page. So for that we have to first move on to the home page, fill in the required details over here and then click on the ranking page. So now this is the ranking page which displays a list of top 100 students of the selected course in the selected year. Now by default you can see only the list of top students of the college selected on the home page, and we can change it by using these drop down boxes. So if I select none over here and choose all over here and then click go, then it will show me a list of top 100 students of the selected course in the selected year. And here the graph shows the number of students in each college having a rank in a top 100. Now if I select a particular college, let's say Hansraj College, and then a particular campus, say North, and click go, then it will show me a list of all those students of Hansraj College which have got a rank in top 100 in North campus only. So this was all about the ranking page. I hope you all understood it. Now the description of the application is over. Now in case if anyone wants some more information about our application, one can go on our GitHub page by clicking over the link over here. So thank you and have a good day ahead.